Hello friends, in today's video we'll learn how to back up WhatsApp using the Android device. Backing up your WhatsApp on Android device ensures that your chats and medias, which include photos, videos, documents and others, are safe. Here is how you can do it. Open WhatsApp on your Android device, then tap on the three dots in the top right corner and select settings. In the settings, tap on chat options, then select backup. In the backup, select the Google account you want to use, tap on it and choose the Google account you want to use. If you don't have any account, you can click on the add account, then add your account below to enter your account details. Also, choose the frequency of the backup you want. Click on frequency if you want it daily, weekly, monthly, or only when you tap backup. Click on the one according to your preference. You can also include videos in your backup. Toggle on the option include videos to include videos in your backup. You can also choose if you want your backup to occur through Wi-Fi or cellular data. Toggle this on also and tap on backup to initiate an immediate backup. Additionally, WhatsApp automatically creates local backup every day at 2 a.m. and stores them in your phone's internal memory or external SD card. Also take note that when you reinstall WhatsApp, it will prompt you to restore your messages and media from Google Drive. Just follow the direction on the screen to complete the restoration process. So by following this easy process, you have backed up your WhatsApp media using the Android device. Hit the like button, subscribe and share to get more useful content. See you in the next video.